Hello my dear students, welcome to Rinmath JEE Made Easy YouTube channel. So today I am going to solve miscellaneous chapter from exercise 10 of class 11, that is straight line miscellaneous chapter. So today's problem is problem number 16. So let's start. So problem number 16, the problem says find the direction in which a straight line must be drawn through the point -1, 2 so that its point of intersection with the line x plus y equal to 4 may be at a distance of 3 units from this point. Direction means the equation of the line which passes through the point -1, 2 and it's intersecting with the line x plus y equal to and its intersection with the line x plus y equal to 4 is 3 unit distance from -1, 2 point. So let's start. So first let the intersecting point of intersection is a comma b. I am assuming the point as a comma b. We have to find this a and b, these two coordinates we have to find, and this AB point is on the line x plus y equal to 4. That means it must satisfy the equation, that means a plus b equal to 4. This is one relation, let's denote it by 1, and we have to find a and b. That means two unknowns are there. We have to make another equation from the fact that this point of intersection is 3 unit distance from -1, 2 point. So by distance formula, AB and -2, -1, 2 distance is again root over A minus 1, A plus 1 whole square, and B, AB and -1, 2 distance between these 2 points is A plus 1 whole square and B minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 3 unit, means 3. So that implies A square plus, okay, let's substitute from the above equation in place of A 4 minus B. So A equal to 4 minus B plus 1 whole square plus B minus 2 whole square equal to 3 square, that means 9. So that implies 5 minus B whole square and B minus 2 whole square equal to 9. So that implies, next step, 25 minus 10b plus b square plus b square minus 4b plus 4 equal to 9. So in the next page we are going to solve this equation. That means 25 plus 4 plus b square plus b square, 4 terms are done. So 25 and 4 done, b square is done. So 10b minus 10b and minus 4b, minus 10b minus 4b equal to 9. So that implies 29 plus 2b square minus 14b equal to 9. So 22b square minus 14b and 9 in the left hand side, 29 minus 9 is plus 20 equal to 0. So we have to solve these two equation, quadratic equation. B square equal to minus 7b plus 10 equal to 0, cancelling 2 both side. So b square minus 5b minus 2b plus 10 equal to 0. That means b minus 5 into b minus 2 equal to 0. That implies b has two values, one is 5 and one is 2. So that is the solution of the equation. So we have got b equal to 5 and 2. So we have got two equation. So we have to have satisfy this equation 1, a plus b equal to 4. If we take the value 5, then the number 1 equation would be not satisfied. So if b equal to 5, then a plus b not is greater than 4, that means it is not satisfied. So we have to take b equal to 2. Take b equal to 2, that means a equal to 4 minus b, that means 4 minus 2 equal to 2. That means we have got the point a comma b, that is 2 comma 2. The AB point is 2 comma 2. The point, that is the point of intersection, is 2 comma 2 is the point of intersection, and we have to find now the straight line, the equation of the straight line that is drawn from minus 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2, the equation of that straight line. So we have to find out the straight line. So now the equation of that straight line is passes through minus 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2. The equations passes through these 2 points. The equation of the line is straight line passing through a and b. Let's point out these points a comma b, a and b. So y minus 2 by x plus 1 equal to 2 minus 2 by 2 plus 1. 2 minus of minus 1, that means 2 plus 1. So that implies y minus 2 equal to 0, because 2 minus 2 is 0. So 0 by 3 equal to 0. So y equal to 2. This is the equation of the straight line, and this is the answer. If you have learned something from this video, please like and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.